Up Polygon Matic holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the Polygon Matic currently price. What's the current price of Polygon Matic? What's the price since open the Polygon Matic? In this video I will show you, my friends, but before starting this video, please I request everyone to click the subscribe button, also like this video, my friends. Now the current situation of the Polygon Matic is going good, my friends. The current situation is good. The last 1 hour, last one day prices of the Polygon Matic is positive, and you can see 1.16 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Polygon Matic. That is the currently latest price, my friends, 1.16 USD dollar. Let me show you more details about Polygon Matic. Wow, that's another good news, my friends. Today is a celebration day because every hour the Polygon Matic start pumping, pump. I think that Polygon Matic are going to the moon, my friends. Believe me, my friends, very soon. And as I told you, my friends, in my previous videos, that Polygon Matic will take a huge pump in June. So maybe there is a possibility to take a huge pump in the last half of June. Maybe, my friends, we can't see about the future, but there is a possibility to they take a jump in the last half of June. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Polygon Matic? Please also share in the comment box. And today I'm very happy about Polygon Matic. How do you feel today about Polygon Matic? Tell me in the comment box. Subscribe now. Thanks for watching this video.